students, welcome back to social studies. Is what all we studied at previous class. We studied about reform and introduction. We got through about Martin Luther, right? Yes. Now we'll go through causes of the reforms. Before that, we'll see a small understanding of reformation. Okay, the Renaissance caused a people to think for themselves. If what the Renaissance has made, they made to the people should think about themselves, not for others' sake. Okay, people wants to read and understand the Bible. Yes, especially the Bible, they have to read. Not only the reading, they have to think themselves specially. Okay, as well as the Bible has to, they has to read and understand the topic, the what all it included. Okay, the founder of Martin Luther felt that a Catholic church was not interpreting by Bible correctly. Yes, actually what happened, the founder of Martin Luther, what he felt like Catholic church was not interpreting that Bible was not correct. Few are missing, or few history might be missing, or few might be incorrect words or incorrect sentence. He felt like that. Yes, people started understanding the Luther point of view. Yes, actually what happened, people already started understanding the Luther point of view. He went on his way, the Martin Luther way. He went on his way, and they understand what is what is Luther gonna do us, what he might be thinking. Yes, all the peoples went according to Luther's point of view. Okay. Yes, now we'll see causes of Reformation. We'll see religious causes. We'll see in that the first point is religious causes. What all we'll see. Before that, see there are some meanings. While reading this, I'll tell those meanings too. Okay, that is key terms. Okay, we'll see. The reveal a practical of a church and the corruption among the clergy has caused the people of lose faith in themselves. Yes, what is clergy meaning? The body of all people ordinary in religious duties, especially in Christianity of church. Yes, actually what happened, the in the church or corruption among that, the people religious duties, it was a similar. There is no like any differentiate, it is always a similar, especially Christianity church peoples. So for that, it what happens, they cause the peoples to lose the faith in themselves. Live, what is my faith, that is only it happens. Like that, the people were losing on the faith in themselves. Yes, the clerical has begun in Amos a huge amount of wealth and property. Yes, what all the people were especially doing their religious duties. In that, what happened, they began in that en masse of huge amount. Yes, for what purpose? For wealth and property. They all concentration went for amount and gaining amount and property. And they won't have like that, they have to believe, they have to not believe, they won't have that mindsets. Okay, next we'll see the church had ever began the selling individuals to the people. Indulgences was a kind of remission, a grant for sins. We'll see what is that indulgency, a reduction the of the punishment of sins, the guide of which has been forgive. Yes, it is nothing but what all they gonna doing the mistake, what all they how can I say, what all they are doing objection, or what all they are not following, like with the careless they are doing their religious duties. So for that, what happened, the church had been began to selling ingredients to the people. Yes, who are all the church peoples, especially who are all doing negligency to the God or reading the Bible. through each and everything, they were getting the punishment. And if they guided it, they if they the punishment, if they're ready to serve the punishment, then they will get, they has been forgiveness. Okay, yes, indignance was a kind of renaissance of granted sins. Yes, actually, what all the punishment has given, it has to be, it has to be followed, who are all doing that negligences. Okay, we'll see. By pesticides, when the scenario that consistent, that interpretance of that innocence. Sales of intelligence means that clearly where paradise sins in the return of money, this upset of commonly passes and assets of them, that a person with money would be a parodied for even that most serious of the sins. Yes, actually what happened on that a particular that punishment, what all they are serving, especially it was pretended, as well as the sales of indigency mean that were clergy. Clergy is nothing but what we can say, yes, the people who are all, they included in their religious duties, especially for Christianity peoples, they has to follow few rules and regulations in their culture. Okay, as well as it was some common mean that person will be with money. It might be the punishment, how it will be, no, it might be with the giving of some certain of money, like the you has to pay so and so, or you has to punish like in this way so and so, like that we can call penalty. For example, we can call that penalty. They might be get in the form of penalty, or they might be get in the form of punishment. Both they are they has to serve. Okay, yes, next we'll see. Yes, political causes. Color the correct answer with a green color. See, children, this what all I gonna do the topic. So that topic you have to refer once, and you have to read this, which is correct. That you should put in green color or none. If it is all, put apply for green color. If it is none, apply for none. Clear? Yes. Now we'll go through the political causes. Yes. The rise of the new and monarchies allied that national states, the powerful rule wanted to carve that out of a huge empire. They wanted to be free from their inference, the church and the pope. The king were also suspicious of the church because of amassing of the wealth and property. Therefore, the strength their own authority, the king took advantage of the reformer protesting, they to challenge the authority of the church. Is actually what happened. The whenever the political causes in everywhere, not only in India, in those days also they were that political causes. What all the causes? The causes is nothing but they were that a new monarchist. Who is he? He leads to raise that nation of states, specially. Okay, he leads to rise that nation of states. After that, what happened? The power, what all they powerful, they implemented the ruler. They want out the huge empire. They need that huge empire. So that what they planned, they wanted to be free from the interference of the church and pope. The king were also suspicious. Is actually what happened. A few peoples were want to become from free with the church peoples. They're having some rules and restrictions, as they have to come out from that. So what they decided, the king was suspicious of the church, the because in amazing wealth and property, yes, as well as the king were is also suspicious. And not only that, that rules and regulations who made that authority, not only him, the king also became the suspicious. As well as their strength was their own authority. Yes, I can do, I will come out. That positive vibes, that strength is there, no, that is their own, that is their own strength or own authority, we can call up it. Okay, that's what the king took that advantage. Later on, what he did, he reforms protest to them, and they that king planned to, yes, however, I want to protest them. They are suffering from rules and regulations. Yes, I have to take out from them. Yes, he planned, and what he did, he that see, they took the challenge of the authority to the church. What the king, what he did, what all the people gave supportive, that yes, we all have that power. We has to come out from that positive vibes the king made to take take that opposite revenge on that who are male that rule and regulations of that authority peoples. Clear? Yes, don't go very brief, children. It is nothing but who are all ruling on those days, they were having few certain rules and regulations. Okay, but for rules and regulations the people were suffering. It was not correct to them. So what that king, what he did, he has the people. So that people, what they did, the people gave positive vibes. Yes, we can, we will. Why we should follow them? That own strength, that own proper, that own positive vibes, that make king to fight against to them. Clear? That's it. Yes. Next, we'll see religious causes, political causes, economic causes, spirits of causes. What all we got through now? Religious causes, political causes. In reform, we have four types of causes. Clear? In that, what all we got through? No, religious causes we got through. No, political causes we already got through. No, now we'll see economic causes at next class. Okay. Anyway, students, bye. Meet you at the next class.